Hey, Zipok, and so today we're going to be working with the Kali Linux virtual machine that we created in the previous exercise. If you don't have a Kali Linux VM, then you may want to go to the exercise. I'm going to put it right here in the video. Go ahead and jump in and finish that tutorial. It takes about 8 minutes to get this all set up. Then come back to this video and we're going to walk into the second phase of what you need to do. Hacking is not something that you necessarily can just jump into, to be honest. You start trying things, but it's better if you have people who have are walking the path or have walked the path to walk you through it. So we're going to talk about training because a lot of people come to me wanting to get a job working in security, and they say some very interesting things like they go into different training, and honestly the training is not useful. I'm going to give you 5 hours of networking training that I actually used on the job, and it's been free forever. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to juniper.com. Honestly, I think it'd probably be better if you Google it. But the good thing is you're not on a Windows machine. So I want to do this on Google so you can see this. If you go here, it's Juniper Networks. Make sure you click on the right links, not the ad. Make sure you always know, as a person who's aspiring to be a security professional, know the difference between the Google ads and the actual Google links. So go to Juniper Networks, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to log in here. So I'm going to skip past this and log in. And I'll cut this out of the video so you can't see my login. Now we're logged into the Juniper training portal. What we want to do now is we need to find the actual training that I mentioned. So I'm going to go to training on the right hand side and then learning paths. There may be another way to get here, but I'm using the way that's tried and true. So training, then learning paths. Please follow along closely so you don't get comments saying, hey, it didn't work. Now, once you get here, it's got a lot of stuff here. Don't worry about this. I'm taking you to the free networking training, 5 hours. This is absolutely some of the best networking training on the planet. Juniper has been a networking company for years. They're used in some of the major data centers and telephone central offices and stuff. Juniper equipment is at the core of the internet in lots of places. Understand that. This is a very important company to networking. You have to know networking to do security. Right here, JNCIA is the certification, Junos, right? So you want to click here at the bottom of the learning path. And once you click here, all the way over here in the corner, get started with networking. Take all 5 hours of this training. I'm going to show it to you because this is, once again, this is free. It has been free for years. Click on how it works, the first entry. I really want you guys to be working in your Kali Linux VM because I want you to start doing everything on Kali Linux. That's the way that you and I both would become super proficient. I'm not an expert hacker. I'm an aspiring hacker. I'm a security professional who's working towards being a true hacker. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. And I walked through this to make sure that I knew every step of the way. And when you click that, it's going to open up the training and it's going to walk you through the entire process. Would you like to resume? I'm going to click no because I wanted to start from the beginning. And of course, I don't know if it has sound. It looks like it has sound, but I don't hear any sound. But the major thing is you need to go through this. And your goal here is not to go through this for speed. It's not just to check a box. It's to make sure you understand every concept. So if you need to take 10 hours or 20 hours to finish this, do that. That's going to help you. I'm trying to help you to be a true security professional, a true networking person, a true computer professional, what I call a purist, somebody who actually enjoys and lives this technology versus somebody who just shows up to your job every day and you go through the motion and not really good to anybody because all you're capable of doing is just being a mechanical person who follows procedures. I want you to be thinkers, people who can finesse and understand and adapt to the environment. That's what I'm trying to teach you. If this was helpful, drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to come back every single day. I may miss a day or two, but just about every single day, I'm going to add a new step to the process. This should keep you busy for a couple of days. This is Tic Toc. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.